Deputy Governor Kuben Naidoo has left the Reserve Bank. He exited public service on the 1st of December to start his so-called gardening leave, but the presidency is yet to announce who will be replacing him or when that person will take up the position. The head of state's office says that the process to manage the transition is underway, and when that concludes, an announcement will be made. This comes as the Monetary Policy Committee readies itself for its first meeting for 2024, which will take place in 2 weeks. Economist and business person Thabi Leoka may have opened herself to possible charges of perjury. That's if she's not able to provide evidence of the PhD she claims she attained from the London School of Economics. Business Day says it has tracked an instance where she testified under oath that she has the disputed PhD. The publication reported yesterday that Leoka doesn't hold a doctoral degree in economics from the LSE. That's after it checked with the institution where she had studied there, whether she had studied there or not. But Leoka maintains that she does hold the PhD, but under a different name. She didn't give the name to Business Day to verify. The rand has weakened through 19 rand to the dollar for the first time in more than 2 months. That's as uncertainty about the global environment boosted the dollar at the expense of emerging markets. The rand is a proxy of sentiment towards emerging markets, which are generally treated as a risky asset class by global investors. As a result, they tend to suffer during bouts of risk aversion. Retail sales declined in November in line with market expectations. Data from Stats SA shows a 0.9% drop for the period. This marks the second consecutive month of decline in retail activity, albeit at a slower pace. The performance is mainly due to reduced sales of hardware, paint and glass. FNB senior economist Siphamandla says the outcome highlights the subdued consumer backdrop, with cost of living pressures weighing on discretionary incomes. He's added that subdued consumer demand is expected to persist in the near term, weighed by sticky inflation, high interest rates and depressed consumer confidence. Convergence Partners is growing its portfolio. The firm will acquire data-centrics from a technology group, Alviva, and that's through its Convergence Partners' digital infrastructure fund. Convergence Partners says the data-centrics transaction aligns with the fund's strategy of investing in high-growth companies with strong management teams and deep customer and vendor relationships.